So just when you think comparison tests can't get any weirder, they get weirder. I got a 1980 Electrolux Olympia 1 with the new hose, and at the nozzle, this is 75 CFM, and here it measures, it's low 70s. I can't remember if it's like 74 or 76 inches of suction. That's here, not down here. The U4007 is 107 CFM, and suction might as well be zero. Inside the fan, well, all the way in the back here, 25 inches of suction. So it's going to be in the low 20s down here, the nozzle. Pretty much no appreciable suction at all. And I got a little overzealous with the sand right here, so we'll see if the Lux can pick it up. The Hoover, obviously, I can't turn the brush roll off. The Electrolux, I can. So we'll try it first with just straight suction, see what happens. No agitation required. These bristles are very long and very soft. Didn't need to do a thing. Okay, so let's try over here. Same deal. Nice. And all that was airflow. Fantastic. I wonder, got this little piece here, maybe see if I can get that up. All right, let's go ahead and try the Hoover. And the brush roll is going to be on. And I pre-tested it on these mats to make sure that the beater bar wasn't smacking anything. So I will be running it actually on low because it didn't appear to be hurting anything. It didn't appear to have any kind of contact, any physical contact with it. So this is going to be, again, just a bunch of airflow with no appreciable suction behind it. Because these machines don't do suction. Same thing with Kirby's. They have very high airflow and very low suction. Away we go. Okay, that worked just fine. So did that. Now you know what? I can say, I've got my Uber bristles on here. The beater bars, I don't believe were really touching this. I think I would have heard that, but I could hear the bristles touching it. But it definitely was able to pick up the flour and the sand from deep down. Like I said, this is like a 1/4 inch for both of them down into the carpet. Well, into the rubber back mat. Well, that was pretty interesting. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more strange tests.